I am a mother of two and I have a lot of life experiences. I have a lot of different career experiences and I wanted to find something that was just for me, where I could use my intelligence and my hands.
What brought me to seek out Skills to Lunch was wanting better in life. I was looking for a career field and not just a job.
But I find myself, especially now that I'm starting to build a life with my partner, I needed a career change because I knew I wasn't going to be able to build the life I wanted in food.
I actually heard about it through a friend. We were sitting around talking about what we could do next with our lives, and we knew we should do a trade, and he sent me the link to this program, and we both was like, we should just sign up and see where it goes. That's how it started.
Next thing I knew, I heard about the Skills to Launch program, and I was like, if somebody can just give me a shot or get my foot in the door, then I knew I could rock and wherever I was.
Started life a little rough, that's for sure. But with this program, it's given me an opportunity to take control of my own life.
I feel like I was everywhere, and Skills to Lunch gave me a direct focus towards honing my energy into one skill, one trade that would help me grow as an individual. It helped me understand what it takes to succeed.
Well, I'm gonna take this to give a shout out to a graduate. His name is Sheldon Hickman. The experience has been phenomenal, specifically watching this man grow. He is now leading teams. He is now driving a company vehicle. He is now one of the people we lean on very heavily. And it's like he never skipped a beat. He just continued to grow. But I see the same thing happening with some of the candidates we've already talked to out of this cohort.
A lot of times I left a lot of things up to others, but here I've learned a lot of soft skills that have made it where I can talk a lot clearer, have the confidence to say what's on my mind, and now I have the skills to back up what I was saying.
For someone like me who's more of a hands-on learner, never really been great at sitting in classrooms and just being talked at, I love being engaged with the work. So I really look forward every week to labs.
Hydraulic schematics. I love working with the hydraulics, making oil flow whichever direction you want it to.
Getting to do that bead for the very first time, and I got to take a picture of it.
I enjoyed the financial portion of it, just going back to, we think that we know everything or that we've already got a grasp on this. We may have heard it in another setting, but just being able to hear that from the first security sponsor, that was a great session. I also really enjoyed the resumes. And just going back to the basics and being like, okay, so if I want to enter into this industry, this is how I have to present myself.
We got to tour Baptist. And when I say I was wowed, you can go into places and you literally just see the face of it. But then when you start to see the inner workings of it and you start to notice that you're the person that is responsible for all of this, or you could potentially be the person responsible for all of this, it was just like an aha moment.
Oh, it was from the beginning. Even the OSHA class that they gave us, it was like, I like what I'm learning. It goes with my personality and what I like to do.
So I own a demolition company, and we're constantly hiring out welders. So being able to now work on my own equipment is allowing my business to flourish more because that's less cost and overhead.
Again, we're all different ages. We all come from different backgrounds. And it's just so diverse. And so the fact we work together so well, we talk. And just in general, they're supportive. Like when I was coming to class and I wasn't it myself, my peers, they noticed and they'd be like, are you okay? Do you need anything?
All of our students come from different backgrounds, different communities. All of them have the same goal, and that's to make a change. That's to be better. That's to be better for their families. And being able to watch them accomplish those goals means a whole world to me. And I'm very, very proud of each and every one of them.
But really, Ms. Creed and Ms. Delisa, they are there for you. Any questions you need, ask them. They actually will give you the raw and uncut version of it. And they just keep it real throughout the whole program.
You guys are amazing. Like the support that you guys put into it is world class.
Fellow classmates, it's been wonderful. It's been amazing. Everyone have made me feel like this is where I belong.
Thank you for being a part of this and allowing us to have the opportunity to change our lives, for giving us the chance to be seen and to be heard, and to actually find where we fit in, and to know that we are okay at being ourselves in this world.
But I hope that everything that we do moving forward is a direct reflection of who we want to become, and let all of the desires of our heart come into fruition.
They are going to go out and make change in the community, and I can't wait to see how they positively impact everybody they touch from here on out, whether it's their family or their employer or just our community as a whole.
I just want to say thank you for believing in me, for taking a chance on me, for not giving up on me. So I am excited to make you all proud.